Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I did this really nice natural beat, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do that. So just keep watching. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm looking down because I'm looking in my mirror because I'm trying to get used to looking down because I got a new mirror for Christmas. So trying to get used to that, but I'm gonna be using this palette. This is the peach eyeshadow palette. I got this for my birthday. If you hear Cotton in the background, girl, just overlook him, okay? So I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. This mirror is kind of cool. I'm just gonna start off brushing my eyebrows out, and I'm gonna use this Stay Matte Primer. Now I have this Stay Matte Primer and I have this Perfect Matte Setting Spray. Me personally, I like this a little better when it comes to like a primer. Come here. A primer because it really mattes your eyeshadow. Okay, y'all, so for me, I'm really just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. But I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is the high definition in color Toffee. I have some new concealer coming from Juvia's Place. So what I just did is took some of this Stay Matte here and place it on my eye. Y'all, this is a good primer. No lie. I got it from Amazon and I love it. Anyways, and it may turn my face white, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna look down and let it air dry for a minute. Okay, y'all, so for me, what I do is like, after I have my eyebrows filled in and outlined and everything, and I'm getting ready to blend, what I like to do is look down and let it sit for a minute, just so that it can start to get matte. And when you blend it out, you'll, like, most of your product will stay on your eye rather than come off. So now I just have me a little flat like angle brush, and I'm just gonna look down, and what I like to do is just like this, just tap like under the brow. And if you need to do any clean it up, you can do that. But basically I'm just gonna tap on my eyelid like this and just keep tapping, girl. Blend, girl, blend. So just keep on blending that out into your lid. And I try to get both of my lids the same shade. So what I'm going to do is, and I always have a problem with my crease, like creasing. So I'm going to add some more right there in my crease and let that sit for a minute. Alright, y'all, so now that I have my now that I have my eyelids, now that I have my lids basically based, I'm gonna put some of this powder. It's the Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna set that on my lid because that's gonna help with that creasing too. Yeah, it's gonna help with that creasing too. Okay, so now sometimes like I'll put on my foundation after this, and sometimes I'll do my eyeshadow after this. But in this instance, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using, like I said, the peach palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is like a peachy shade. And I don't know what I'm doing, like, in the sense of what look I'm going for, so I'm just going to kind of like wing it. I'm just going to apply it to my crease like this and work it in. It's a really nice color. Alright, y'all, so now what I'm going to do is I got my concealer. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and I'm going to spread it out like this. And I'm going to let it sit for a little minute so that it'll start to get tacky, and then I'm going to apply it to my eyelid. Let me turn the TV down. I'm going to apply it to my eyelid. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Using this brush, I'm just going to tap it on. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to take the same brush that I started with, which had like the little pink on it, and I'm just going to do it like this, just to blend that out a little bit. So now I'm just going to apply my foundation. The color that I have is the color, well, the shade Kenya. So I'm just going to start and so I've learned, like, with the Juvia's Place foundation, like, it really doesn't take a lot at all. It does not take a lot. I noticed that it looks a little different when you kind of buff it in. So like this instead of this. So I'm trying to teach myself to kind of buff it in a little bit. Buff and tap kind of. So. Alright, so in with this contour. First of all, let me do my highlight first. Alright, y'all, so when blending, I like to just start by looking up, and I'm using my beauty blender as you can see, and I'm just gonna tap just like that, y'all, and then same thing to the other side. And see, you can't really see. You can't really see that color that I put on. That shade 6. So I guess I need to get a darker one, but yeah. Alright, so since that contour didn't work, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade, I can't even see it, Mahogany. So I'm just going to, because this is a little darker, so I'm going to just add a little bit right there, and then add a little bit on this side. Alright, so now it's time for me to do a little setting. Put some of this under my eye. And then on my nose. Like that. And now I'm just going to immediately go ahead and brush this off. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into the same peach palette and use the exact same peach color that I used up here with the same brush. And we're just going to add a little add a little light blush. Hopefully it don't look crazy. Yeah, just like that. Just something light and cute. I'm just gonna use this to just kind of, and that's just kind of like warm the face up a little bit. I hope y'all see what I'm talking about. But I actually can add a little more. But I'm new at adding blush, so I'm just kind of adding a little bit because I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to overdo it. So that's that. And so now I'm going to go into applying my eyeliner along with my mascara. So let's get started. Alright, y'all, so I was going to use lashes, but girl, I don't know what's going on with my top liner. I can't find it. So I'm just going to use some black eyeshadow and just go over the top. I'm not good at wing liners, so I'm just going to do a slight wing. I don't know, just a slight something. Oh, no. That makes my eyes look droopy. I need to point it up a little bit. Alright, y'all, so I did my bottom lashes this time, and girl, I like the way they look. So anyways, what I did to my lips is I just took my foundation brush and the rest of the product that was on it, I just kind of dabbed it on my lips just to get it this kind of nudish color. Now I'm going to outline it with a brown. Let's see. Let me see this color. Alright, so I'm going to apply this. It's called The Matte. It's by Nika K, and it's in the color Turkish Rose. And I'm going to use this and just dab it. Well, wipe it like inside of my lip like this. And then I'm just going to, ooh, very nice. And then I'm going to go in with this, and it is Clean Kisses. This is by the Crayon Case. And I'm just going to do like, alright, y'all, so that's basically it for this look. I really hope y'all can hear me because I'm trying to talk loud so I don't get copyrighted because I have my son watching TV in the background, so I'm just trying not to get copyrighted. But anyways, that's basically it for this tutorial, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. I think everything turned out really nice and cute. I love the eyeshadow look. The only thing I don't like is the wing. Like, that's literally the only thing that I don't like is the wing. But whatever, I guess it's okay. But let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. You really ain't gotta follow me on Twitter. Well, I guess you can, but I'm gonna put my Twitter somewhere somewhere. But follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely talk to y'all later. I hope y'all like this natural beat.